Geeta Ramurthy. I wish you all a hearty welcome for this evening event on behalf of Prakash, Sita, who are in Bangalore, Ashwin, Vandana and Samarth, who are in San Diego, USA. A very good evening and hearty welcome once again. It is our pleasure to have you all to this get-together. We thought of this program with the idea of meet and greet Apurva and her husband Sohail, and also have the pleasure of watching the live dance performance of Apurva after quite some time in Bangalore. I would like to brief you about the couple, Apurva and her husband, Dr. Sohail Ahsan. Apurva and Sohail got married in November 2022 in US and have come down for a vacation in India. The couple currently in Santa Clara, California. We are very much pleased that they are here with us today. Dr. Sohail Ahsan did his undergrad in electrical and electronics from IIT Kharagpur and got his PhD from globally renowned Columbia University in the city of New York. He hails from Bholpur, very near to Shantiniketan, West Bengal. It's a great pleasure that his parents are here today with us. Dr. A.K.M. Minajur Ahsan and his wife, Mrs. Alija Begum, along with their daughter, Dr. Minaz Parveen, are here with us today. A warm welcome to them also. Warm welcome to you, sir. Apurva studied biotechnical engineering from BMS College of Engineering, went on to do MS in biomedical engineering from Columbia University. All of us are aware about Apurva's passion for Bharatanatyam over 24 years. She started the basics from Srimati Indira. Luckily, she is also here, Mrs. Indira Prasad. Later continued under guidance of Professor M.R. Krishnamurthy of Kalakshati Dance School. Professor M.R. Krishnamurthy, popularly known as Kittu Sir, is one of the best in his field and a recipient of many awards, including Karnataka Rajyotsava Award and Natya Rani Shantala Awards. Apurva was awarded Vidwat from Karnataka Board and is a graded Doordarshan artist also. Vidushi Apurva is currently a dance teacher and a performing artist in Bay Area in US. Carrying on her passion, she is currently pursuing Master of Arts in the field of Bharatanatyam in Silicon Andhra University in California. It is benefiting that Apurva will be performing Bharatanatyam at this get-together. Let us all enjoy dance performance from our dear Vidushi Apurva. Apurva will take you through her performances. ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೃದಯ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರಲ್ಲಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದು ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೊಹೇಲ್ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸಂಗತಿ. ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೂ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅವರ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಲಾಕ್ಷತಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅವರ ಶಿಷ್ಯೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದ ಅಪೂರ್ವನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಆರಾಮವಾಗಿ ಕೂತು ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅಪೂರ್ವ.
Geeta Dodama, thank you so much for that extremely warm welcome. Thank you so much. Pranamya Shirasa Devau Pitamaha Maheshwarau Natya Shastram Pravakshyami Brahmanayat Udahritam. Bharata Muni says, I bow my head to Pitamaha, Brahma, the creator of Natya Shastra, and Maheshwara, Lord Shiva, the creator of dance, and reveal the science of dance, or the Natya Shastra, as it was depicted to me by Lord Brahma. I wish to begin my small performance with these beautiful verses from Natya Shastra. Generally, we do the thanking at the end, but I really am so touched with how much love you have shown me. So, thank you so much for coming today and supporting me. Thank you so much. And I also really appreciate all of your support in my virtual dance journey as well. It really means a lot. It's my great privilege and honor to dance in front of you. Today, I'll be presenting 5 compositions of varying types. It's not a typical traditional Margam performance. It's a little offbeat in places. I hope you sit back and relax and enjoy the performance. Let's start with my first piece. Before that, I want to talk a little bit about my guru. Geeta Dodamma did talk about Sir, but I still wish to honor him in my own ways. He is one of the, at least to me, the best guru a student can have. And I have been fortunate to be his student. Kittu sir spent close to 4 decades in Kalakshetra honing his craft and teaching it. And it is this art form that he gave me and that I'll be presenting in front of you. I'll be opening with my guru's own choreography. It's a vachana, Holeva Kinjade. Vachanas are poems in Kannada which were written around the 12th century during the Sharana movement and based on the philosophy of the Lingayat faith. This vachana in particular was composed by Akka Mahadevi and depicts the beautiful form of Shiva. She talks about seeing this resplendent Lord in all his glory. The main idea behind this lies in bhakti and the glorification of the Lord as well. The music has been composed by Sri Rajaram, and the song is set to Vasanti and Saraswati Ragas and Aditala, presenting the Vachana Holeva Kinjade.
Haranam Shankaranam Shashanka Dharanam Kapaliyam Karanam Samharanam Haranam Shuliyam Ishanam Ishanam Girishanam Kandena Virupakshanam Kandena Virupakshanam Holeva Kinjadegala Mani Makuta Oppuva Holeva Kinjadegala Mani Makuta Oppuva Holeva Kinjadegala Mani Makuta Oppuva ಸುಳಿಬಲ್ಲ ನಗೆ ಮೊಗದ ಸುಳಿಬಲ್ಲ ನಗೆ ಮೊಗದ ಕಂಗಳ ಕಾಂತಿಯಂ ಈರೇಳು ಭುವನವಂ ಕಂಗಳ ಕಾಂತಿಯಂ ಈರೇಳು ಭುವನವಂ ಬೆಳಗುವ ದಿವ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗುವ ದಿವ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪವ ಕಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಡೆನ್ನ ಕಂಗಳ ಬರಹಿಂಗಿದೆಂದು ಕಂಡೆನ್ನ ಕಂಗಳ ಬರಹಿಂಗಿದೆಂದು ಹೊಳೆವ ಜಟೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಳಬೇಳರಿಂಗಳು ಹೊಳೆವ ಜಟೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಳೆಬೆಳರಿಂಗಳು ಪಣಿಮಣಿ ಕುಂಡಲವ ನೋಡವ ಪಣಿಮಣಿ ಕುಂಡಲವ ನೋಡವ ರುಂಡಮಾಲೆಯ ಕೊರಳವನ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳವ ಬರಹೇಳವ ರುಂಡಮಾಲೆಯ ಕೊರಳವನ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳವ ಬರಹೇಳವ ಶಂಕರನ ನಯನ ತುಂಗುಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲಿಪ್ಪುದು ಶಂಕರನ ನಯನ ತುಂಗುಷ್ಟದ ಮೇಲಿಪ್ಪುದು ಶಂಕರನ ನಯನ ತುಂಗುಷ್ಟದ ಮೇಲಿಪ್ಪುದು ಸಾ ದವ ಗವ ದವ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗವ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ದ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಬರಿ ಸದ ಗರಿ ಸ ಕುಂಡಮಾಲೆಯ ಕೊರಳವನ ಕಂಡರೆ ಬರಹೇಳವ
I hope you liked that one. It was very... The next one is actually very, very close to my heart. It's the Bhairavi Varna, Varna Mohamana. It is set to Rupaka Tala, and the music composition is by the Tanjore Quartet. The composition is beautifully choreographed by the inimitable Mylapore Gauri Ammal. This is very special to me, not just because it's a legacy composition, but this is also my Arangetram Varnam. And actually, my Natwanar for that event is also present here today. And it's a very special occasion for me to be presenting it again. So, a Varna, I think for a lot of you who actually attend dance shows, you can see that it's a very long piece. It goes on for 30 minutes. And the question is, why did you choose it, right? Why do any of us do these pieces? The answer is because there are a lot of inherent philosophies that are there when the Margam was constructed. It is said that when you see a Margam or when you perform a Margam, it's like going to a temple. So when I might interchangeably say do and see, because the Rasika and the Nata or the actor and my audience and the Sabha are linked. We are one entity. So what happens is you're entering a temple. And in the Varnam is where you're in the Garbhagudi or the Sanctum Sanctorum. Here is where the spiritual energies is heightened and you wish to unite with the higher power. The same goes for the Varnam. And in this particular Varnam, that's what the heroine is asking. Let me unite with you, O Lord. Mohamana yenmidil. I have so much love for you at this time. That's what she says in that scenario. And what makes this Varnam even more exciting is that the lyrics and the music itself goes hand in hand, but the choreography makes it multifold better. It's sheer genius. This Varna is set on the deity of Tiruvarur called Tyagesha. It's a Shiva temple. So, this temple is older than the Brihadishwara temple. They say that the entire way the temple was built is based on this temple. It has really big gopurams. It has a huge pond of water. And it's also the birthplace of the Trinity, Shama Shastri, Tyagaraja, and Muthuswami Dikshitar. So in such a city, you have this Lord. And the third line says, Nagarigamana Tirunagaril Vasare. Such a cultured place you are residing. And the choreographer, Mylapore Gauri Ammal, she's done a brilliant job in incorporating all of these elements. Of course, the second half also is equally beautiful, where they're talking about nature and how nature affects her. She's talking about the arrows of flowers, Manmatha's arrows, which are deadly. It may be flowers, it may be soft and gentle, but it's deadly in the way it affects. And she's talking about being hit with these arrows when the cuckoos are singing, when the gentle breeze is present in the moonlight. All of these places, it talks about how she yearns for Shiva. Presenting Mohamana Varna. Thank you.
தாம் தக்க தச்சம் தக்க ஜித் தக்க தச்சம் தஜித் தாம் தாம் கிட்ட தக்க தக்க ஜித் தாம் தாம் கிட்ட தக்க ஜம் தரி கிட்ட தக்க ஜம் ஜம் கிட்ட தக்க தஜித் தாம் தாம் கிட்ட தக்க தக்க ஜித் தாம் தாம் கிட்ட தக்க ஜம் தரி கிட்ட தக்க தாஹத ஜம் தரி தா தக்க ஜம் தரி தை தக்க நம் தரி தா தகரும் தரி தை தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்க ஜித் தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்க ஜித் தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்க ஜித் தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் மோக திங்கிணத்தும் தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்கது தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்கது தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் தக்க ஜம் தக்க நம் தக்கரும் தக்கது தக்க தத்த திங்கிணத்தும் மோக ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೊಂಬಿ ನುತ ಧಿಮಿ ತಾಹತ ಝಂ ತಕ ಝಂ ತ ಝಂ ತರುಂ ಗದಿಂ ತಕ ಧೀನು ಧಿಮಿ ತಾಹತ ಝಂ ತಕ ಝಂ ತ ಝಂ ತರುಂ ಗದಿಂ ತಕ ಧೀನು ಧಿಮಿತ ಧಿಮಿ ಧೀನು ಕಿತ್ತ ತಕ ತಕಿಟ ತಕಿಟ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕುಂಧರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ಧಿತ್ತದ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತಗಿಡ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ ಧಿತ್ತದ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತಗಡ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ ಧಿತ್ತದ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತಗಡ ತೋಂ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತೋಂ ತತ್ತಡೀಂ ಕುತತ್ತಗಿಣ್ಣ ಝಂ ತಕ್ಕತಡೀಂ ಕುತತ್ತಗಿಣ್ಣ ಝಂ ತತ್ತಡೀಂ ಕುತತ್ ಧಿತ್ತಡೀಂ ಕುತಕ್ಕತಡೀಂ ಕುತ ಧೀ ತ ಧೀ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಗಡ ತೋಂ ತ ಧೀ ತ ಧೀ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಗಡ ತೋಂ ತ ಧೀ ತ ಧೀ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಗಡ ತೋಂ Dinggina tom tam de ta tom tam de ta tom tam de ta tam de ta tom tam de ta tom tam de ta tam de ta tam de ta tat hip kirta ka tom tam de ta tam de ta tat hip kirta ka tom tam de ta tam de ta tat hip kirta ka tom o ya மனம் நாடி உமை தேடி உறவாட மிகவும் எனதுடனது பதறினி அரை நிமிஷமும் யுகமாகுதே ಅದರ ಸಾರ ಮಧುತರಯಿದೆ ಸಮಯಂ ಸರಸ ಸದ್ಗುಣನೆ சுந்தமுடன் என்னை கூடின விந்தையை நினைந்தே தினம் வாடி மனம் நாடி உமை தேடி உறவாட மிகவும் எனதுடனது பதறினி அரை நிமிஷமும் யுகமாகுதே ಅದರ ಸಾರ ಮಧುತರಯಿದೆ
கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மாறல் 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 கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் கமரிகரி நீரேசா நித நீச திகமாரன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் கமரிகரி நீரேசா நித சத்திகமாரம் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் வேரி குயில்கள் கூவுதே இன்னி என் செய்குவேன் வேரி குயில்கள் கூவுதே இன்னி என் செய்குவேன் வேரி குயில்கள் கூவுதே இன்னி என் செய்குவேன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மாறல் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மபமகரிக கமகரி சதி நிததி சனிசா நிததி சதி கமாரன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மபமகரிக ಗಮ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ புறம் வீசுது இரவினில் தாமதம் என்னை எண்ணைவார் இனி வசமல்ல மாருதம் ஒரு புறம் வீசுது இரவினில் தாமதம் என்னை எண்ணைவார் இனி வசமல்ல மாருதம் ஒரு புறம் வீசுது இரவினில் தாமதம் என்னை எண்ணைவார் இனி வசமல்லவாரன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் சரமாரியாய் மாறன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் பானிபத பபகதி கமபா தமப கமகரி சபாதனி சதி சதி கமபா நிப பபகதி சதி கமாரன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மானிபத பபகதி கமபா தமப கமகரி சபாதனி சதி சதி கமபா நிப பபகதி சதி கமாரன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் சரமாரியாய் சோமன் தணல் மிக சொரியில் ராமயினி சகிய நடகாமன் கலவி இசைந்த எந்தன் சாமி மனம் மிக விமுதடி சோமன் தணல் மிக சொரியில் ராமயினி சகிய நடகாமன் கலவி இசைந்த எந்தன் சாமி மனம் மிக விமுதடி சோமன் தணல் மிக சொரியில் ராமயினி சகிய நடகாமன் கலவி இசைந்த எந்தன் சாமி மனம் மிக விமுதடி மாறன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் கண்ணைகள் தூரான் சரமாரியாய் மாறன் கண்ணைகள் தூரான்
Enjoyed Bhairavi Varna. I know it's a little long, but as I mentioned, Varnas are always worth it. The next one is actually backed by popular demand. I want to dance Krishna Ni Begane Baro. all of you have supported me so much in my virtual dance journey. I wish to recreate that video live for you. So this is Krishna Ni Begane Baru. But let me tell a few words about this piece. It's composed by Saint Vyasaraya Tirtha of the 16th century. The raga is Yamuna Kalyani and Tala is Mishra Chapu. Devaranamas are a part of the literature of the Dasa Sahityas and composed by saint poets immersed in Vaishnavism. The main theme of these works are the bhakti and glorification of Lord Vishnu. The fundamental reason for these songs to exist is just pure bhakti towards the Lord. But because of the sweet, the madhura nature, the madhura or the sweetness of the song, we have interpreted it, or we kind of get that tone of vatsalya. So that's why it's a very popular interpretation of showing motherly love for this song. And I have taken it one step further by showing the love of two mothers, one longing for her son, while the other plays with him. This is Krishna Ni Begane Baru. Let me tell you a story of a long time ago. It was Krishna Janmashtami, little Krishna's birthday. There was a woman in Mathura, Yashoda. She got up early, finished all her chores, churned a pot of soft, creamy, cloud-like butter for her little one. She was wondering where he was. The little toddler was running around the house.
Krishna ni begane baro, Krishna ni begane baro, Krishna ni begane baro, Krishna ni begane baro, begane baro, mukhavane toro, begane
to tell you the story, I made a mistake. The mother in Mathura was not Yashoda. The mother in Mathura was Devaki. She was the birth mother. She was imprisoned by her cousin, the evil Kamsa. She gave birth to Krishna, and he was taken away from her. She yearned for this child because he was not only her son, he was her savior. He could take her out of her prison. He was Vishnu. She had that yearning and the bhakti towards this same little Krishna. Let's see how she thought of him on his birthday. After ending on such a somber note, let's uplift our spirits with the next composition. I'm pleased to share some of my own choreographies with you today. This is one of them. It's a Javali called Smarasundaranguni. It's in Telugu. It's composed by Dharmapuri Subbarayar, set to Raga Paras and Tala Adi. This Javali is one of my personal favorites. The reason is because the heroine in this Javali, she is a very bold, confident, happy, which is very rare, happy woman. And she is boasting about her love and her lover. She tells that her husband is the most amazing man probably ever. She says, he is as smart as a minister and brave as a commander. And she doesn't waste time giving his personal, physical description. That's said, Smarasundaranga, he's as handsome as Manmatha. That's it. But she talks about his qualities. She talks about how he's so loyal to her. He doesn't even look at other women. And best of all, he doesn't contradict her in her conversations. Listens to her. She also says, he's very encouraging. When I play the veena, he says, shabash. So, presenting Smarasundaranguni Javali.
ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸ್ವರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸರಸ ಕೋಟಿಲೋನ ವಜೀರುಹ ಮೀರೆ ಸ್ವರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸರಸ ಕೋಟಿಲೋನ ವಜೀರುಹ ಮೀರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಸರಸ ಕೋಟಿಲೋನ ವಜೀರುಹ ಮೀರೆ ಸ್ಮರಸುಂದರಂಗುನಿ ಸರಿಯೌವರೆ ಆಡಿನ ಮಾಟಕು ಅಡ್ಡಮು ಪರು ಕಡೆ ఏ చెడియలను కనుల చూడడే ఆడిన మాటకు అడ్డము పలు కడే ఏ చెడియలను కనుల చూడడే ఆడిన మాటకు అడ్డము పలు కడే ఆడిన మాటకు అడ్డము పలు కడే ఆడిన మాటకు అడ్డము పలు కడే ఏ చెడియలను కనుల చూడడే స్మరసుందరంగుని సరియౌవరే సరస కోటిలోన వజీరుహ మీరే స్మరసుందరంగుని సరియౌవరే వీణులకింపుక వీణవాయించి అగ్ని వెడినే పాడ సభా కోటిలోన వసిరు కమీరే స్మర సుందరంగుని సరి యౌవరే ధరణిలో అతి దల్పముదార శ్రీ ధర్మపురి అతి పూడైన ధరణిలో అతి దల్పముదార శ్రీ ధర్మపురి అతి పూడైన స్మర సుందరంగుని హరి యౌవరే సరస కోటిలోన బసిరు కమీరే స్మర సుందరంగుని సరి యౌవరే సరి యౌవరే సరి యౌవరే.
I would like to end today's recital with a small change of pace. So far we were listening to a lot of Carnatic classical songs. Now let's listen to Rabindra Sangeet. My husband and my in-laws are from West Bengal, and this music is very popular there. And this is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The song is Anandadhara Bhuvache Bhuvane. Let me read the translated poem to you. It's very beautiful. It says, a stream of joy flows through the world. Its nectar spills, filling the endless sky. The sun and the moon sip and relish it. It keeps the eternal flame lit. Swept by its waves, the earth is fulfilled. Today, why confine yourselves within? Why remain absorbed in self? Look around with an open mind. Forget your trivial sorrows. Fill your empty life with love. In other words, the poet says, look at nature. It's so beautiful, so resplendent, so gorgeous. The sun, the moon are all happy with this nectar of happiness that drips from nature. He says, you're so lost within yourself and your own world. Look outside, look at this world, and try to get that happiness. This is the Rabindra Sangeet composition, Anandadhara. Thank you.
আনন্দধারা বহিছে ভুবনে, আনন্দধারা বহিছে ভুবনে, দিন রজনী কত অমৃত রস উথলি যায় অনন্ত গগনে, আনন্দধারা বহিছে ভুবনে, আনন্দধারা বহিছে ভুবনে। পান করে রবি শশী অঞ্জলি ভরিয়া সদা चाहे हृदय प्रसारे क्षुद्र दुःख सब तुच्छ माने चारिदिके देखो चाहे हृदय प्रसारे क्षुद्र दुःख सब तुच्छ माने প্রেম ভরে আলহ শূন্য জীবনে আনন্দ ধারা বহিছে ভুবনে আনন্দ ধারা বহিছে ভুবনে।
रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामरोगराय मामक अभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजामरोगराय मामकाय अभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् कौसलेशाय बन्दगासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसदरदमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविध वेदान्तवेद्याय सुमुखचित्तकामिदाय शुभदमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुलहृदय कामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय दिव्यमङ्गलम् रामदास मृदुलहृदय कामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय दिव्यमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजा मनोहराय वामक अभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् महितमङ्गलम् महितमङ्गलम्।
Thank you so much again. I really loved performing in front of you. You really made my day. And thank you for coming to bless me and Sohail. Thank you.
We witnessed an excellent dance performance from our dear Apurva, Vidushi Apurva, we have to call her now. It was an excellent program. I have no words to describe. I would like to thank on behalf of Srimati Sita and Sri Prakash and the whole family. And I would like to thank Sri Jairama Seva Mandali, Trust and its staff for providing venue and all the facilities and immense support. Sri Pramod, SL and caterers for food, beverages and flower decorations. Sri Lingadevaraju for photo and video coverage. Thank you. All the family members and guests who have graced this program, thank you one and all. I request you all to join us for dinner on the first floor. Thank you. She wants to meet each and every one of you, please.
Actually, he gave the first opportunity because of it was you ready? Change it. So nice. Actually, sun. Not That's okay.